I think getting out of bed every morning and changing the perception of what it means to be a person in 2018 is really what motivates me. I wake up thinking, you know what? I don't have to hold on to what was okay yesterday. I can change that narrative. My name is Gia Grier. I am an artist, a singer, an entrepreneur, and a creative.
Would that be like separate from students? Or
No, we can be for students, for educators, for supporters. And then maybe the first question under that is what is or who is a supporter? I started my year at school and I was working at the Whitney. And there was this exhibition up, and it was all about cybersecurity and how information is being used. That's when I thought, wait a minute, I actually have no idea how the internet works. I don't know how my information is being used, and I don't really know what's happening on the back end of social media sites and social media networks that I'm using on a day-to-day basis, like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, for example. I remembered the Girls Who Code summer immersion program, and I decided to apply because it was the only option that I knew of to learn how to code.
It was just like, there's so many opportunities like that are educational based that are not necessarily have to do with the classroom.
I think in a lot of ways we're sort of breaking down the barrier of what it means to be a student and what it means to be a teacher, because I think students can learn so much from their teachers, but I think teachers can also learn so much from their students. When people walk into the Girls Who Code classroom, you're surrounded by people who want to see you grow. It wasn't about reaching a standard. It wasn't about proving to other people that you are smart, but it was about learning for your own personal benefit and gain. Especially in America, there isn't a lot of time set aside for figuring it out. You have to either have it figured out or someone created some sort of plan for you. But there's not a lot of agency in terms of like creating your own path in life. I'm a connector in many senses. So not only do I connect people, I can connect to people. Most recently, I've been challenging myself to work with young creatives who are sort of creating their own movements, creating their own brands. Through my organization, Exploratory Year, I'm hoping to encourage people to take on these real-world opportunities and continue to pursue their passions, because I believe that people shouldn't have to risk everything to follow their dreams. We don't have to wait for people to tell us what we need to learn. If there's something that we want to know about or learn about, we can ask, we can search, we can create. By me personally adopting the philosophy of listening to people and understanding that every person can contribute value to my life, I've learned so much about how to help, so much about what I can do to better position myself to live the future that I'm trying to create for myself.